How to enable desktop mode in Safari on iPhone. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to switch to desktop version of a website in Safari on an iPhone. So let's get started. If you wish to have the complete desktop version of any specific website on your phone, what you're going to do is first of all open Safari, and then you can open any of the specific website that you want. For example, I'm going to open this over here, and once you have opened your specific website, you're going to click on this icon over here, and then you'll be able to see a desktop version option over here. If you're not able to see that, you're going to click on these three dots at the bottom right. So once you do so, you'll be able to see an option that says request desktop website under the page action. So you're going to click on it, and once you do so, you'll be able to view this page in the desktop version. So the other method is by going to your settings, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, click on apps, and then you're going to search for Safari. So simply click on Safari over here, and after that you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option of request desktop website. So click on it, and then you're going to click on this toggle button and toggle all websites on. So by this, automatically all of the websites that you open on Safari will be switched to the desktop version. So that was basically how you can enable desktop mode in Safari on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.